Ginawang ka na ng paraan, ayaw mo pa. Nakalista ka naman, naglaro ka naman ng kabilang linggo, yung wala kang dala. Oo, si, sa number 10. Yan, natupad na pagpapapawis ni Siron. Tapikan, kanina po pupunta. Victoria, bounce pass to Ahon, Pace. No good, rebound ni. Wala. Bola ng 4. Pasha, sinamantala, nakatalikod. Ito yung bagong tasain. Bakit gayon? Diaz for 3. No good. Rebound by Rosales. Sa ilalim. Ang taas masyado. Nakaano ka kasi, naka-hairnet ka kasi. Mabigat yan so tanggalin mo yan. Kaganda na itsura mo dahil. Victoria to Lunar. Long 2. No good. To Rosales drives. Kicks it out to Pasha. Enriquez mid-range. No good. Ano yung pilitan na rin? Delap. Sino yun? No good. Bullet pass to Rosales. Mid-range J. Basket for 2.
Saging.
Lunar.
Magkano?
Kicks it out to Diaz. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Rosales.
Magkano?
Bounce pass to Pasha. To Rosales. To Pasha. For 3. Masyadong malakas. Rebound by Lunar to Diaz. Mid-range J. Airball. Subdivision. Pasha. Steal. To Victoria. Easily. Ay! Sorry naman, pinaunahan ko. Sala pala yun. Eto naman si Katangay. Katangay sumuot na naman. Ang hilig mo talaga sumiksik sa masikip. Para kang charot. Diaz. Wala pa rin. Maalat talaga. Ang parehas na kupunan. Hindi magka-iskoran. Steal by Victoria. Hindi ko alam pinito eh. Basket for 2. Karaan. 14 seconds to shoot. Rosales. For 3. No good. Rebound by Diaz. Crossing over. Nakalusot. Bumalik. No good. Katangay. Crossing over. Spin move. Lays it up. No good. Umali. Itinahon, no good pa rin. Mga nakataas lang po ang kamay ng iyong mga nakabantay. Diaz, step through. Masyado pa rin malakas. Rebound by Rosales. Naghanap mapapasahan na kita si Pasha. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Subdivision rep. Victoria. For 3. Bam! Victoria. 3. Katangay, Bates. Tokaran. Pasya nakalusot. Teardrop, no good. Rebound by Samosino. To Rosales. 10 seconds to shoot. Rosales. No good. And there's a foul. Yep, that's a clearly foul coming from Samosino subdivision rep. That's your first personal foul. There's number 27, Diaz. Grabe naman yon. Basket for 2 by Diaz. Katangay na alusot ang gandang pasa kay Daw. Adawis tuloy Lunar. Basket for 2 by Lunar. Victoria, 14 seconds to shoot. That's an illegal pick coming from jersey number 11, Lunar. First personal foul. Rosales nagmamadali. Sala. Talagang maalat ang pasutan. And there's a foul. Foul coming from jersey number 6 for pushing Karaan. First personal foul. First no is there. Basket is good also. 2 out of 2. Karaan to Lunar. Back to Karaan. Cross court to Katangay. Sa gitna kay Lunar. No good. Rebound by Dela something. Diaz. In and out. Diaz. Reverse. Basket for 2. Dela. Karaan to Rosales for 3. Bang! Rosales. 3. Victoria nagpe-penetrate to Diaz, mid-range J. Bithead na uwa ni Karaan. Steal to Diaz for 2. Timeout. 4. Piedra. 54 seconds to go. Karan for 3. In and out. Rebound ni Dela. Victoria. Diaz. Naipasa kay Ahon for 3. No good. Nakakuha pa rin ni Ahon. Napunta kay Diaz. Diaz sa small bump. Diaz. dun sa skinhead. 8 seconds to shoot. No good. Katamay, 15 seconds time remaining. At na-traveling pa si Idol. .8 Diaz, 5 seconds to shoot. And our first quarter with an official score of 8-13. The ladies holding by San Felipe. Hey, back to the ball game.
Pagka yung ganyan, ilalagay mo sa paso.
Iba't iba. Pwede ko siyang palitan. Tapos yung logo, nagpapalit-palitan.
Karaan. To Lunar. To Rosales. Fakes. Rosales for three. Bang! Rosales. Rain. Victoria. To De La Piedra. Back to De La Piedra. 8 seconds to shoot.
Ayusin mo! Tama!
Hindi, may ay eh.
PIE nga.
Gabi for three. Bang! Gabi! Gabi three. Change favor. Victoria sa ilalim na check. Same ball possession. For three. No good. Si Rosales. Patay. Ang lakas ng pasa, Idol. Napasobra. May Diaz. Diaz, nag-aarapapasahan na kita si Victoria. Victoria, sumagak sa basket for two. Karaan, setting a play. Kicks it out. Bounce pass. O'Malley for two. Muntikat pambalito sa bola. Ay, sorry. Lunar. Jersey number 17 for two.
Sabihin mo!
De La Piedra. De La Piedra. Oh. Baka kasi mali, nakakaya. Rosales, 12 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Diaz, fake pass, fires a three. No good. Diaz. In and out crossover, small bounce na ipasa doon kay De La Piedra. Basket for two by De La Piedra. Piedra na lang ha, wala nang E. No good. Victoria to Diaz. No good. Rebound by the skinhead. Steal by Victoria. Victoria to Ahon for three. No good. De La Piedra for the offensive board. Basket for two. Rosales for three. Too strong. Luna. Sa gilid. Basket for two na naman kay De La Piedra. Mamaya, De La Vega may banggit ko din yan. Foul! Who's foul rep? Jersey number 4, Ahon. Timeout! San Felipe. Pinagsapatos niyo man, di rin pala papasok. Ay, nag-Gatorade pa, ang matindi. Ang kapal din talaga. Pinamedyas na, pinasapatos na. Binigyan pa ng may inom. May pandesal din eh, pre. Sinulit mo ang iyong pagpunta. Victoria, binigay kay Diaz. Diaz reverse for two. Grabe. 25-17. Bullet pass rejected ni Victoria. Victoria, drive. Ipinasa kay Ahon, nakakuha ni Gabi. Ni Gabi rather. Kahit hapon pa. Rosales, ang ganda naman nun. Basket for two by Rosales. De La Piedra. Oy, nababanggit na kita, idol. To Diaz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Piedra for two. Mid-range din pala yun, si Idol. 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Rosales. Fakes. Tokaran. Cross court to Gabi. Kahit hapon pa. For 3. Bang! Gabi. 3.
Lobo eh.
Victoria's Secret. Binigay kay Diaz sa gitna kay Lunar. Basket for two. Karan. Karan takes. No, pinasa kay Gabi. Gabi, mid-range J. Too strong. Rebound doon ni Skinless. Basket for two.
Matapos pa lang tita. Thank you.
Rosales, naka-rebound, binigay kay Enriquez. Enriquez. Gandang pasa na naman kay Skinhead. Grabe naman sa Skinless Longganisa. 26-29. Time out! 4. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Victoria, 14 seconds to shoot. Gandang pick. Victoria using the screen, slashing through, no good. Nagkatapikan na ako ni Pasha. Pasha nagmamadali. Pasha behind the back pass. To Katangay for 2. 55 seconds. Time remaining to end our second quarter.
First. Ay, second na pala. Naligaw ako.
14 seconds to shoot. Diaz, 10 seconds to shoot. Diaz nakalusot. Block by Karaan. 5. Block again. Nakakuha ni Pasha. Uy, grabe naman yun. Naiwan ng bola. Still ka ngayon. Nakakuha ni De La Piedra. Ahon. Hinawakan. Foul will be called on jersey number 10, Enriquez. First personal foul. First team foul. 3-second shot clock differential. No good. Nagkatalo na nagkalundagan, nagkaluksuhan. Kaninohan, that's a foul. That's an unsportsmanlike foul coming from jersey number 8, Tutros. Ano?
Wala ba? Wala.
Labas yung isang buong laro.
Tutros plus ball possession.
Wala ka sa
Wala. Pwede kang papasok kahit anong quarter ka na dumating. Same ball possession po. 18 seconds time remaining. 14 to the clock, to the shot clock. Ay. Sabi ko na. 10 seconds remaining. Pasha, 5. Katangay, long 2. And of our first up with an official score of 29, deadlock. Tigatlong timeout. Both Diaz tries for 3. No good, rebounded in the De La Piedra, perimeter jumper, no good, rebounded in the Umali pass to Katangay. Atangay, the basket 3, one room for 2. Karaan, tulunan. Mabibitaw ang mga bola. Yep, still dito ni Victoria. Tulunan. Lunan. To Victoria. Victoria setting the play. Now tries a 3. No good. Rosales kayo dito mamadala. Rosales. Lunar. Sa 7 move. Nakakuha kayo dito Umali. Mga kaumay there. 14 seconds to shoot. Fix. No good. Victoria grabs a rebound pass to Diaz. Diaz lumipad for 2.
Natangay sa ilalim kay Umali. Yung si Rondo Rosales sa tres, no good. Lunar.
Victoria's Secret. Binigay kay De La Piedra. De La Piedra sa ilalim kay Lunar with 5 seconds to shoot. Still by Karaan. Karaan. Dire-diretso si Karaan. Karaan lays no good. Diaz crossing over. Diaz for 2. Timeout. Melvin Cuevas, kanilang mga konsehales at konsehalas, Tinoy Abalayan, Grace Cumilla, Dani La Rosa, Ems Lunar, Crispin Magsumbong, Sergio Marasigan, Konsehal Capi Melton Matibag, and Konsehal GGU. Ahon to Diaz. Diaz almost lost the grip. Diaz in and out, fires for 3. No good. Natapikan ni Pink ball. Katamay. Basket for 2. Victoria, 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Karan. Diaz. In and out. Behind the back pass to Lunar. No good. Samosino for the rebound. To Karan. Karan. Samosino, mid-range jumper for 2. Rosales, and that's the Travelers Violationers. Nakakalimutan ng pamasahe sa 4. Subdivision. Victoria. Diaz for 3. Bang! Diaz 3. Karan. 14 seconds to shoot. Diaz. For 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3. Coming from jersey number 8. Karan. 14 seconds to shoot. Karan to Rosales for 3. No good. Rebound ni Samosino. Malakas, kaibigan. Diaz fakes. Diaz. To Victoria. To Ahon. To Lunar. Basket for 2. Tibay. Samosino fakes, Samosino fires. Short, rebound by De La Piedra. Diaz for three. Tungkab. To Rosales. Rosales on the drive. Almost a steal, pero there's a reaching foul coming from Victoria. That's your first personal foul. Okay, pasok daw sabi ng referee. Enriquez. To Gabi for three. No good. Lunar for the rebound. To Victoria. Bounce pass to Diaz. Diaz lumipad ang gandang pasa doon kay De La Piedra for two. Tip in mula kay De La Piedra 2. Steal by Karaan. Rosales. No good. Rebound by Ahon. To Victoria. Inabot kay Lunar for 2. Enriquez, mid-range J, no good. Lunar, nagpabitin-bitin. Nakakuha ni Umali ang bola. Bounce pass to Gabi. To Rosales, 12 seconds to shoot. Down to 8. Rebound ni De La Piedra. Pass break to Diaz. Ay! Enriquez to Karaan. Enriquez. No good. Victoria to Diaz. Another one. For 3. Timeout! 4. Isa na lang po ang timeout nyo, Barangay 4. Hey, back to the ball game. Katangay, ang gandang pasa. Karaan naka-receive. 14 seconds to shoot. Pasha, mid-range J. Umali. Nag-glitch. Bang! Karaan, 3. 35 seconds remaining. Seconds to shoot. Ahon for 3. Bang! Ahon, 3. 14 seconds remaining. Another try, hit check coming from Karan for 3. 5 seconds remaining. In and out. End of our third quarter, official score 41-50. This is the last and final quarter. Malalaman na natin kung sino magwawagi between these two contenders. Katangay, kicks it out sa gilid. No good. Lunar for the rebound. Diaz. Umali for the rebound. Katamay to Pasha. Sa gitna, 10 seconds to shoot. Enriquez, blocked by De La Piedra. To Victoria. No good. Rebound by De La Piedra. Mid-range specialty for 2. Katangay almost lost the grip. 12 seconds to shoot. Pasha. 4-2. Ahon to Diaz. And there's a foul by jersey number 7, subdivision rep. First personal foul. First throw is there. Another one. 2 out of 2. Karaan. Fires. Victoria to Delia Piedra. No good. To Katamay. Katamay, small bump. To Pasha. Uy, ang gundo naman nun. Sayang hindi tumakbo. 12 seconds to shoot. Pasha fakes. Pasha drives. 8 seconds to shoot. Still, Victoria. To Diaz for 2. Luna. Kicks it out to Karan. 12 seconds to shoot. Katamay. Sa ilalim, still by Ahon. To De La Piedra. To Victoria. Free throw jumper. In and out. De La Piedra for 2. Basic basketball dito. Pasha. Nasundutan. Subdivision rep. Timeout. Sampilipe. Dalawang timeout po. Sampilipe. 6 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Still a long run. 58-43.
Kanin bigat. Isang bigat.
Lamang po ang 58. Diaz for 2. (43-60), 70-point lead. Rosales, nawala ang bola na sundutan, na-recover ni Carraan, 10 seconds to shoot. Lunar, 4 shot. Kay Lunar pa rin, 3 seconds to shoot. Sala pa rin. Diaz for 2. Samosino, 2 points. (12 seconds to shoot. Gandang pasa nun, reverse layup, no good. Lunar, bilis. Nakakuha ng foul si De La Pietra. First personal foul. First throw is there. Pasok pa rin. 47-62. 4 minutes and 20 seconds on the clock. Diaz. Nawala ang bola. Rosales. No good. Steal by Pasha. Samosino. Ay tinapon ng bola. Kanino pong bola? Sam Felipe ball. Isa na lang tayo. No good. Rosales for the rebound. Rosales. The small bump in and out pa rin. Timeout. 4. Wala na po kayong timeout. Barangay 4. 3 minutes and 32 seconds on the clock. Lunar. Gabi nakakuha ng bola. 4-3. Tabingi. Steal. Sala pa rin. Yung benes mo nung nakaraan, puro alat naman ngayon. Isip pa. Basket for 2 by Lunar. Talagang maalat si Aboy. Bang! Gusto pa rin malayo. Ayaw nang malapit. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Diaz. Ahon for 3. Katamay, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Bola ng 4. (52-64), 12-point lead. Talaga. Sa tres ka nga tumira. Yun, naka-steal. Basket for 2. 10-point lead. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Steal again. Katamay. No good. (14 seconds to shoot. Ahon for 3. 1 minute remaining. Talagang hindi ka na tinawagan ng referee doon. (45 seconds remaining. Basket for 2 by Luna. 35 seconds. (27). And that's it. Congratulations for the 5-man team of the year. San Felipe winning against Barangay 4. Walang saban yan hanggang dulo. Tibay. 28.